Hi all, this is exercise number 3 for my warm-up routine. It's in E flat major. Now to slow tempo. It's going to go from E flat down to B flat. Turn around at the B flat, come back up to G. Then F down to C. Turn around at the C, come back up to A flat. Now G down to D. Turn around at the D, come back up to B flat. Then C, 8th note, D down to E flat. Then A flat down to E flat. Turn around at the E flat, come back up to C. B flat down to F. Turn around at the F, come back up to D. Then E flat down to B flat. B flat up to G. Now A flat all the way down to G. A flat down to B flat. Turn around at the B flat, come back up to D. Then B flat down to D. Turn around at the D, come back up to G. A flat up to B flat. Then C down to B flat. Then D down to E flat. Turn around at the E flat, come back to G. Then C down to D. Turn around on the D, come back up to F. Then A flat up to B flat. Then E flat up to E flat. If you like these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comments or questions on YouTube.